Isn't it interesting how the leaders of all the countries surrounding Rwanda have refused to attend the summit on the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement in Kigali, Rwanda? Paul Kagame, who has been the leader of Rwanda for 24 years and has just changed the constitution to allow himself to be the president for a further 17 years, is now the chair of the African Union. Yet the leaders of Africa refuse to give him the respect that he so much craves. Why? Because he's a menace. The saying goes, if you want to know a person, speak to the people closest to him. It is no surprise that the president of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, Rwanda's neighbor to the north, has refused to attend this meeting. How can he when Kagame has been a menace in his country, sending government assassins to cause trouble there? Burundi's President Pierre Nkurunziza, Rwanda's neighbor to the south, has also declined to go. He in fact wrote a letter to the African Union explaining reasons why, and one of them is that Burundians cannot be safe in Rwanda. John Magufuli, President of Tanzania, Rwanda's neighbor to the east, also has not turned up. How can he when Rwanda has just murdered several of Tanzanian soldiers in the Congo who are keeping peace there? And without forgetting that just a few years ago, President Kagame threatened to harm his predecessor, President Jakaya Kikwete, for simply offering some wise advice to him as a fellow statesman.
I will just wait for you at the right place and I will hit you.
Upande wangu binafsi, sijasema lolote kuhusu Rwanda. Pamoja na maneno mengi kuhusu Rwanda au viongozi wake, pamoja na maneno mengi ya matusi na kejeli yanayotoka kwenye vinywa vya viongozi wa Rwanda dhidi yangu. Sio kwamba sisikii, wala sio kwamba siambiwi yanayosemwa.
Joseph Kabila, President of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Rwanda's neighbor to the west, has also declined to go. This is no coincidence. Few would want to go to the home of a thug and a criminal who dresses up as a statesman.